doubt you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. Ha, you looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I installed and styled this hair from Alipearl hair. Y'all can see the material, like the hair is eating, everything is speaking for itself. I literally did not have to do too much to install this unit, so I'm so happy to bring you guys this video. Of course, all the links and everything is gonna be in the description on this hair, as well as a coupon code, so do not forget to go down there. But before we hop into this video, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and thumbs this video up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, you lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. I ain't gonna ramble too much more. I'm gonna let you guys hop right into this video. All right, so y'all, let's do this hair. So as you guys can see, this unit is very brown, and y'all know this is my favorite color to do on myself because this is just, it just complements my skin so well. And my natural hair is dyed this chocolate brown color, so I love to do wigs this color. As far as the hairstyle today, I think I'm gonna try to go for this. I asked my Instagram story what should I do, a middle or a side part, and they said side part, so I had to choose a side part hairstyle. We're just gonna start installing this unit, nothing too much to it. I already have on my wig cap. I just need to put some makeup on it, and then I need to put some makeup on the lace, and then we can get started with the install because that's pretty much all I have to do. I'm gonna flip this unit back down so you guys can see. This unit pretty much came pre-plucked. I didn't have to do much at all. Literally all I did was bleach the knots and wash the unit. And someone suggested that I'm gonna go ahead and flip this back and be putting on my makeup while I talk, but someone suggested that I show you guys the wig straight out of the pack. I always like to go ahead and wash the wig before I show you guys anything. I don't even really like to touch the wig until I wash it. So 9 times out of 10, you guys, most times when you guys see the wig, it's already been washed. So I know that isn't technically out of the box, like, you know, but I'm always gonna wash the wig. So it's just really like a safety thing for me, and I have very sensitive skin, so I like to make sure that before I put the wig on my head or even too much touching it, because these come from factories and stuff, I always like to wash the wig first. Like I was saying, I didn't have to do much at all to this unit. I'm just putting some of my foundation on here just because the powder that I normally use is not matching my skin tone right now because I've been getting a little tan. I'm excited to go ahead and put this unit on because recently I just took out my braids, and I had my braids in for about 3 weeks. So it's been a while since I've seen myself with a wig on, and I've really been missing it. Honestly, if I'm gonna be transparent, I've been missing having on a wig. I've been seeing like a lot of videos and content about when people become used to seeing themselves with wigs, how they like basically don't find themselves attractive with braids and things. I didn't experience that. I really thought my braids were super cute. Even though I wear wigs like literally 90% of the time, I loved my braids. I didn't have no problem with my braids, period. Like I didn't feel like I was less cute or anything. It was just me with braids. I don't know, but let me see if this is gonna match my skin tone or if I need to put a darker. Oh, it actually, you actually can't see it. Let me zoom in for you guys while I'm working on the lace. You actually cannot see it, so I might be good as far as my wig cap, but I am gonna go through and clean my skin with some 91% alcohol before laying this down. But yeah, I love my braids. I really enjoyed them. Like literally, it felt so good to have a break and I have to do my hair every day when I woke up, except for my baby hairs. It felt very liberating. I loved it. All right, so now my skin is clean. I'm just going to flip the wig back on and go ahead and position it where I will be laying it down, and go ahead and clip some of this hair out of my way. So as long as none of your wig cap up underneath is in front of the hairline when you position the wig where you're gonna lay it down, then you're pretty much ready to go. The only thing I am gonna do is go ahead and cut my ear tabs out to make it a little bit easier during the install process. So basically I'm just going to take a rat tail comb and basically carve out where my ears are and go ahead and cut all of that extra lace off. So that way when I pull the wig back, as you guys can see, my ears are free and I don't have to worry about any of that when I'm laying down the unit. All right, so now I'm all ready to go ahead and start to lay the wig down. Also guys, this is where you would go ahead and customize the hairline if you wanted to. Today I don't think I'm gonna do that, but this is where you would go ahead and add a widow's peak or pull out a section and tug it out or whatever, just change the hairline. This is where you would do that because you're pretty much being able to see where the wig is gonna sit. Now I'm all ready to go ahead and start installing. So what I'm gonna do is just flip this back. I like to flip it back and not take it all the way off. That way when I flip it back forward, it's already in the placement. So today I'm gonna be using Bond Baby, and I'm gonna probably use about 2 layers of this stuff. 2 or 3 layers, I don't know which one yet, whichever one I feel like doing when it gets to that point. And I'm just gonna, oop, I'm dripping it. Main thing when you're laying down your glue, you just want to make sure that it's no clumps, and also you want to wait till it dries completely clear to put your unit back down on it. And you want to do this every layer, so you want to make sure the first layer dries clear before you add the second layer, and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying just a small amount. This is as clear as it's gonna get. I think due to this wig cap that I chose to do. That's a whole nother topic, but I actually don't prefer these wig caps. I prefer the older ones, not the HD ones. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the wig back down. It should be in the exact same placement that I had it in, and I'm just gonna go and place it and push it in with my comb. Back in with my hot comb, pushing everything back. Now I'm gonna take this cute elastic band that Alipearl sent me, and I'm gonna use this to go ahead and melt the wig down. Side note, this is a really cute band. Like, I never seen a band like this. This is very cute. Okay, I'm having a hard time tying this because of my nails, but I think this is good enough. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this extra lace. I just don't like the feel of it sitting on my forehead, honestly, so I'm just cutting it off. Now I'm just gonna let this sit for probably about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're gonna take it off and cut the lace. But I like to just let it sit because honestly the glue is still drying, so I like for the glue to dry with the lace on top of it. So I'm just gonna give it some time and then I'll be back. Okay, so let's go ahead and take off this elastic band and see where we are. Okay, so everything is looking good. Now it's time to go ahead and start cutting off this lace. I'm gonna cut some slices into it, and then I'm gonna go in with my razor because I feel like the razor gets closer than scissors do. So I'm just gonna cut some little slices. Now I'm gonna take an eyebrow razor and basically just pull up at the hairline and start to cut. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some of this all over the hairline and then tie it down again. All right, so now that I have the lace down, I'm just gonna add a little bit more makeup. This time I'm gonna go in with the powder. All right, so now I can go ahead and start styling my hair. I'm gonna go for, like I said, that side part moment. So first step is gonna be going ahead and finding my part. And the good thing about this unit in particular is that it has a lot of parting space. Normally it's very hard to do a longer side part because most of the wigs that I get nowadays is just, they have very short parting space on the side, maybe like 2 inches. So this wig in particular does not have that, so I'm able to do a really nice side part. Just hot combing some of this hair down so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so y'all, this is pretty challenging for me, this side part like edge moment, so I probably won't be able to talk you guys through it. I hope that you guys can just watch and learn until I'm able to like give you guys a step-by-step. But right now I just be experimenting, so I'm sorry that I'm not able to like fully walk you guys through it, but hopefully in the future we gonna get it. I hope to get it really down packed because I love this look, but it's still challenging for me. So just watch and learn, but hopefully, like I said, in the future I get to a point where I can teach y'all how to do it. But right now it's a little hard. The side edge and my baby hair, so now it's time to go ahead and start curling the hair. As you guys can see, it's no layers in the hair, so the first thing I'm going to go through and do is just chop some layers. I think I'm just going to put layers like in the front. I'm just going to cut a few layers into the bang area, and then I'm going to leave the rest of the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to use this razor comb for a more gradient cut. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and start curling it. I'm gonna use my T3, and as I'm going through and curling, I'm just gonna spray a little bit of hairspray on each section. I'm using the Tresemme Ultra Fine hairspray. I got this from Walmart. And then I'm just gonna go through and just curl away from my face. Alright, so I'm gonna go through and spray my hair one more time. And then now I'm just gonna put my fingers through my hair and just let it do what it do. This side was still kind of hot, so the curls are probably falling a little bit faster. I honestly could play in my hair all day, but I deadass don't got no time. Like, I literally have somewhere to go, so I gotta hurry up, put some makeup on, and come back and close out this video. But I'm really crunching on time right now, so I think this is probably about as good as it's gonna get. But it's cute. I like it. I think my hair turned out very, very cute. It's what it looks like. All right, let me just hurry up, put some makeup on, and then I'll be right back. So y'all, this is the finished result. I feel so freaking pretty, and this color, I told y'all, it just eats on me. Like, I don't know what it is about chocolate brown, but it just does it for me every single time. And this side part, I'm glad that I chose the side part because this is really cute, and it came out perfect. Like, I wasn't expecting it to come out like this, but I'm impressed with my own work, honestly, if I'm gonna be honest. I was not expecting it to look this good. I feel so happy. This is my first wig back, and I feel like I ate it up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please do not forget to thumbs this video up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. Also, all the links of this hair will be listed in my description box, as well as the coupon code, so do not forget to go down there. But y'all, that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.